Ublalotak, Kanoik Pizzy. Today is Friday. What day? All day today. Let's be responsible. Always try. Do our best. Cooperate with others and treat everyone with respect, including ourselves. It's Friday, and you know what that means. Time to announce our Husky of the Week. Congratulations to Bianca Sita, who goes above and beyond by showing kindness, respect, and cooperation with her peers and teachers. Her excellent manners in the classroom, lunchroom, and around the school truly set her apart. Keep shining, Bianca. Hey everyone, we've made it to day 5, our final day in the Growth Mindset Series. Over the last few days, we've learned what a growth mindset is, how your brain grows, how to overcome challenges, and the power of the word yet. Today, we're going to talk about how to keep a growth mindset every day, no matter what you're working on. A growth mindset isn't something you just use once in a while. It's something you can use every day in all parts of your life. Whether you're working on a tough math problem, practicing a new skill, or even learning how to get along with others, a growth mindset helps you keep improving and growing. So, how do you keep a growth mindset every day? Here are 3 habits that can help. First, stay positive. When something feels tough, remind yourself that you can improve with effort and time. Second, be persistent. Keep trying even when things don't go your way the first time. Third, learn from mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning, and each one teaches you something new. Let's take an example. Imagine you're taking a test and you get a question wrong. Instead of feeling bad or thinking you'll never get it, use your growth mindset and say, "This is hard, but I can learn from it and do better next time." That's how you turn a mistake into a learning moment. Remember, success doesn't come from being perfect. It comes from putting in effort and learning along the way. When you focus on learning and growing, you'll find that success starts to happen naturally, whether it's in school, sports, or anything else you care about. And don't forget, you can help others keep a growth mindset too. When you work with a friend or classmate, use positive language like, "Let's keep trying," or "We'll figure this out together." Supporting each other with a growth mindset makes learning even more fun and powerful. All right, let's do our final circle up and reflect on how we can keep a growth mindset going forward. For grades K through 5, your question is, what's one thing you'll remind yourself the next time something feels hard? For grades 6 through 12, your question is, how can you make using a growth mindset a habit in your daily life? What's one area where you'll focus on growing? Now, at this point, this is a great time to pause, get in your circles, and talk about these questions with each other. And with that said, I just want to say one last thing. Great work, everyone. Remember, a growth mindset is something you can practice every day. Stay positive, be persistent, and learn from your mistakes. And don't forget the power of yet. Keep growing, and I know you'll do amazing things. Thanks for joining me this week, and I'll see you next time.